Welcome. This exercise is called Leaves on a Stream. Leaves on a Stream is a technique from acceptance and commitment therapy that helps you notice, observe, and let go of your thoughts without getting caught up in them. We call this skill cognitive diffusion, which simply means learning how to separate or distance from our thoughts by observing them and allowing them to come and go rather than holding on to them. Cognitive diffusion helps us to learn how to create space in our minds so we can see our thoughts for what they are, just thoughts. It teaches you how to observe your thoughts and helps you to choose whether to allow them to influence your behaviours. This technique can also help you feel less overwhelmed by intrusive thoughts and help move away from unhelpful cycles of rumination or obsessional thinking. In this exercise, we are going to imagine sitting by a stream, and as thoughts come into our mind, we'll try to see if we can let them go using the stream to help us. So let's get started. Start by finding a quiet place free of distractions and lie or sit down in a comfortable position. Close your eyes or let your gaze soften at a fixed point in the room. Let's take a moment to tune into our breath. Take a deep breath in through your nose, feeling your belly rise, and exhale slowly through your mouth. Take a few more deep breaths and just find a soothing breathing rhythm that feels comfortable for you. Allow yourself to become aware of the present moment as you focus your attention on your breath. Now, in your mind, just scan your body from head to toe. Notice if your feet are grounded. Notice how does your back feel against the chair or where you are laying. Is there any tension anywhere? Just acknowledge these sensations without judgment. Just observe. Now let's begin the visualization. Imagine you are resting by the side of a stream. This scene can look however you choose. Use your senses to imagine what the stream and its surroundings look like. Notice the sounds of the water as it flows over smooth stones. Notice any pleasant smells. Notice the temperature of the air. Notice any pleasant physical sensations as you rest by the stream. Now picture a single leaf floating on the water's surface. It could be any kind of leaf you like. A bright yellow maple, a smooth green willow, or a vibrant red oak. Take a moment to observe its colour, its shape, its delicate texture. As you watch, imagine a thought, a worry, or a negative feeling that you'd like to release. It could be anything that's been weighing on you lately. Place this thought or feeling onto the leaf like a tiny seed. See it attaching itself to the leaf's surface. Now take another deep breath. As you exhale, gently nudge the leaf towards the center of the stream. Watch as it drifts away, carried by the current. Feel the weight of that thought or feeling lessening with each passing moment. During this exercise, more thoughts are going to come into your mind, and that's okay. For the next few minutes, we're going to focus our attention on the stream, and whenever a thought comes into your mind, whatever it's about, we're going to notice the thought, place it on a leaf, and let it float away down the stream. Allow the stream to flow at its own rate. Don't speed it up. You are not trying to wash the leaves away. You're simply allowing thoughts to come and go in their own good time. We're going to do this for all of your thoughts, pleasant and unpleasant, comfortable or uncomfortable, whatever comes up. Even if they're the most wonderful thoughts, place them on a leaf and let them float by. Just keep watching the stream, noticing what comes into your mind. And when you notice the thought, place it on the leaf and let it float away. You may find it helpful to have a kind, smiling facial expression when you're placing your thoughts on the leaves. You may wish to try this and see how it works for you. During this exercise, you may get thoughts about being bored, or that this is stupid, or that I'm not doing this right. Just try to notice these thoughts if they come up, and gently and kindly place them on the leaf and let them float away. We are not looking to get caught up in these thoughts. Just notice and place them on the leaves and return your attention to the stream. Sometimes you may get hooked into your thoughts and lose track of this exercise before noticing what's happened. Don't worry if this does happen, it's normal and often does so. When you notice this, just gently acknowledge it and start the exercise again. If a thought gets stuck, just notice that and allow it to be. Don't try to force it to float away. Just observe without judgment. If a difficult feeling comes up, maybe frustration or tiredness, simply notice it, saying, "Here is a feeling of frustration," or "Here is a feeling of tiredness," and then place those words on a leaf and let them float away. From time to time, your thoughts will hook you into becoming distracted or not present, and this is normal. As soon as you realise it's happened, just gently acknowledge it and restart the exercise. Continue visualising the stream for a few more minutes, simply observing and releasing any thoughts that enter your mind. When you feel ready, slowly bring your awareness back to the present moment. Notice the sounds around you, the feeling of your breath, and the way your body feels against the chair or where you are laying. Take a few more deep breaths, inhaling and exhaling. Now open your eyes and reconnect with the place that you are in. We have now completed a Leaves on the Stream exercise. Take a moment, if you like, to reflect on this exercise. Was your mind busy or quiet during the exercise? Remember that we all experience being hooked in and pulled around in different directions by our thoughts. If you notice this happening, remember to be kind and gentle with yourself, and just return your focus of attention to the exercise each time. Remember, mindfulness is a practice and not a perfection. It is also an opportunity to learn and grow. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. We release videos like this every week to help you take care of your mental health and improve your well-being. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.